Gago, gago, gago.
We're going round. Guru. Kamay ko, bata.
Uy, okay. Ang ganda ng waist mo doon. Look. I can let go for you. Hello. Nadala-dala ko lahat. Tapos ganda lang. Ayan. Okay, where are we going?
Let's pray. Ay, ano ba?
Saan tayo pupunta? Let's pray yung puta.
We're going sa Bataan, Kamaya Coast.
Ayun.
Open the door.
Kasi we're gonna open the door.
So guys, we booked the ticket last week lang. And that's probably, wait naman tayo sa may lighting. It's probably like 5 days before this day. So, ganun naman daw talaga yun. 5 days talaga pag magbubook ng ticket doon sa Kamaya Coast. And now, it's currently 4:21. We have 1 hour to drive papunta dun sa PICC or dun sa may ferry terminal. So, this is his outfit. Oh, yeah. And this is my outfit. So, ngayon, magka-car kami papunta dun kasi madaling araw pa lang naman. And nakita namin may parking naman dun. So, let's go. See you later.
Wow!
Hi, I'm Jean.
Okay. Hi, I'm Reggie. Ako yun, takabula.
Wala. Hi, my name is Jean. I booked the ticket.
Hi, I'm Reggie.
Ang may bo...
Ano oras na? 5:30 na? Ano oras ka, Top? Nakitakbo na ako. Yay! Ang ganda mo naman. Ayun, hindi tayo late. Boarding pa lang sila. Tapos tayo, naglalakad. Tingin ka nga, love. Tingin ka nga. Ay, lam. Ito, ganda. We're moving now. Saan papunta?
Papunta dun sa may, ano yun,
Binangunan Street?
ano yun?
Binangunan nga.
Hindi yung city.
Binangunan City. Ano yung dito?
Dito drop na tayo.
Gago, ganda. Kami. Look. Ganda. Putang ina. Hey. I wanna go slide. Let's go slide. What do you say about our first slide? So good? Yeah.
So, let's go here.
Let's go orange, green, and blue. Okay, let's slide. Ay. Kakatapos lang namin sa orange. What do you say about the orange slide?
Oh my god.
Is it good?
So good.
Good?
So good.
Hindi pa puno. Nagawa mo. Na-massage. Nagawa mo. Aray, gago malig. Aray, gago.
Hi guys! Tinagal ko na yung ano. So, look at him! Water transition. Wow!
Lakas. Hey, we're now in the pool. Yo, what the fuck? What the fuck? Ano naman?
Yung mata ko, nakaganyan.
It's so good.
Hindi ka lang kung naman ba yun?
What do you say about the aqua fun?
Dito pa lang sa aqua. Ano to?
Aqua fun.
Aqua planet. Sa aqua fun. It's like fun na. Pero feeling ko kulang pa ng ibang ride.
Yeah, me too. What do you say about this? Okay. Is it good overall? Tama. Ito yung ginawa namin kanina. Like, dyan, the big drop, boom, doon. And balik dito. And then the slides. What do you think about the slides? Nice, right?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
We're going back to the going back
to the beach.
I'm getting hungry.
Mag-i-inflatables kami. And then after inflatables, what are we gonna do?
Love, I'm getting hungry.
Gutom. Inflatables. Gutom. Hello guys. Dito kami sa Infinity Pool.
Kumain ako ng piano.
May energy ka na?
Yeah.
Hindi ako pinapansin kanina eh.
Ano hindi ko napansin? Pinapansin kita. Balik.
Then, what do you say?
You want me to see that?
Oh, sige. She said. Ako din.
Check yellow color guys. Para aso. 3. Wow.
Ano siya pa? Sige. Wow!
Set. Go!
Nawala yung camera. Napitawan ko yung camera. Ready? Yeah?
One.
Kaya ko umupo sa ilalim.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow! Ako din.
Ikaw din.
Go.
Oh. Wow! Lumulutang ka talaga eh.
Lumulutang ka mo?
Oo, isa pa. Okay. Lala. Ako. Watch me.
Tapos, gumaganon yung katawan ko. Gets mo?
Okay. Ako, yung Jesse.
Hindi. Ako muna.
Upo kayo, Jesse. Tagal? Ina, yung sipon mo.
Parang lalo. Parang lalabas yung...
Oh, tangina, meditating. Galing, ang ganda ng kuha, ang ganda ng kuha.
Go. Ano yan?
Yeah. Mamaya nga mag-ano tayo, mag-ano Navy tayo. Kami?
Ito na nakikita niyo.
Pakin abdominal. Maliligo tayo sa dagat lang. Gago, jellyfish season ngayon. Wala lang tao sa inflatables, oh. Should we go?
It's a bit...
Ewan ko, sana. Mukhang malinis yung dagat. Wala ka ng damit? Bakit ka naiinis? Kaya hanapin ko na yung damit mo.
Nasa yun.
Wala. Aray! Okay, wag. Wag.
Kasi... Seryoso.
Sige. Iyak ka na? Iyak ka na? Okay. Okay. Bibigay ko gago. Bibigay ko. Okay, bibigay ko.
Ibarin mo. Sabi na eh. Nagjo-joke ka lang eh. Sinabi niya guys. O, picturean mo na.
What do you say about the dagat?
So salty.
Salty? Oh. And then? The smell? Do you like the smell?
Yeah. Smells like sea.
Sea?
And like...
Do you like the sea?
Yeah.
Is it like vitamin C?
Do you know how the sea say hello to the ocean?
Paano?
By waving.
Now it's time to go for inflatable, our last ride. Inflatables.
Would you recommend this to your friend?
Yung ano? Kamaya? Ha? Sakto lang if like wala talaga magawa. I mean,
would you want to try this again with
yes,
me?
yes. Gusto kong itry yung ano, yung big slide.
Again?
Yeah.
Ba't
Sayang din natin
kanina
bigyan.
ayaw mo na?
Oh, gusto mo ngayon, balikan natin.
Ay nako.
Love.
Malinig ka pa talaga.
Yeah, balikan natin, okay? Look at this. Kamaya obstacle course.
Hey, wait. Video.
Haray.
Go.
Hey. Oh, almost there. 30 minutes, right? Yeah.
Okay.
Gago. Shit. Ang alon, gago. Obstacle course. I don't think so. Di mo magawa yan. Gagong ang alon kasi. Love, makulit. Makulit. Tumatalon.
Final destination.
Okay. Bawal yan. Bawal talunan yan.
Bawal. Kaya na tarpaulin.
Ang ina na to. Di niya kaya. Hindi niya kaya. Wah, galing. Gago. Okay. Sige. Takot sakit. Kaya mo yan. Abot mo yan. Magpadulas ka na lang. If I were you, magpapadulas ako. Takot na siya. Gago. Lagi ng babayan. Okay na. Gago. Wow, bilis umakyat ah. Tapos mag-i-slide ka dun ah. Oh shit. Sayang na lobat ako. Hindi ko na video yung tawag na obstacle course. But right now, pauwi na kami. And Kapoy, we're at the ferry guys. It's already 4 AM, 4 PM. Wala na tayo ba? Kapoy tayo. Alright, is it Kapoy? Kapoy. Yay! We're back in Manila. What can you say about our trip?
It's so nice. Sulit na sulit.
Sulit?
Yeah.
Like,
I think sulit na sulit. Sulit no?
Yeah.
For you.
I had fun, like a lot of fun. Nag-enjoy ako sa fucking slides. Yeah, the big one. Sayang di natin na video niya, but it was good. And then yung racing na slide. Fuck yeah, that's good. It's good.
Kakago guys, na-stuck ako dun. Diba ganyan? Tapos gaganon na. Na-stuck ako dun sa like, diba ganyan?
Hindi mo sinipa ng maayos. Tapos gaganon na.
Na-stuck ako dito te. Nakaganyan lang ako. I was like, kuya!
Tapos nasa baba lang ako naghihintay.
Ikaw, umano ka na. Gumaring ka na eh.
Kita mo yun?
Ako. Nakaganon lang ako. Kuya!
And then like, I had fun sa yung bucket. You remember that?
Yeah.
Yung video natin.
Big bucket.
Yeah. It's like, so good. And then, nag-enjoy ako sa inflatables. Like, those were, yes, a must. Pag pupunta ka doon, you should like,
pupunta ka doon, do the inflatables.
Yeah, the dagat was good. Sayang yung yung infinity pool. If malalim yun, that would be great. Mag-enjoy talaga ako if malalim yun. Pero in total, ang dami natin nakuha videos. So it means we had a lot of fun. So magkano nang gastos natin in total? 160. Then for travel, that's right, 499? 399? Yung day tour. I think it's 399 or 499 day tour. Tapos balikan na yun, libre na yung ferry and bus. Pero yung papunta mo ng ferry, ikaw na bahala magkano doon. Since nakakotse kami, medyo libre lang. Tapos 160 na food, okay na yan. Okay na kami. Tapos libre lang lahat yung kayak, inflatables, swimming pools, may libre din. Volleyball, pwede ka mag-rent for 30 minutes ang volleyball. Badminton, 30 minutes free. Pati bike, 30 minutes. Yeah. Ang problema lang doon is walang signal. And to be honest, ang baho ng beach. May mabahong parts. Yeah, like, but like, that would be fun. Sayang hindi kami nag-overnight kasi merong bar doon. Saka meron doon paggabi? Merong mga fire dancers. Fireworks and fire dance. Exactly. That will be good. If meron sana. So, that's it for our vlog today.
Thank you. Come again. Peace out.
Cringe, bro. Okay.
Wait. Trust.
Communicate.
And love. Peace out. From Jean
And Raj.
and
Hey.
bye-bye.